I just wanted to give you a better visual of what's going on. I just had to put it in this first video for you because look at all those cigarettes, man. That's just god awful. What's up, guys? Back with another video. Today we're working on this beast of an old car. Well, the reason I haven't posted about it in a very long time is because I was trying to figure out what the hell I was gonna do. Yeah. I found something weird inside my engine because I finally got the fueling issue figured out. I don't know if I told you about that. I went and got a Jegs pump and ran all new line, rebuilt the carb. It was running good, but it was making like a lifter tick, and I was like, what the hell's going on? So here's the pickup tube here. Now what in the world would you think is inside of there, huh? I can't really find the thing I took out of it, but in case you don't know, that those are cigarettes. Yeah. I found a cigarette butt, but most of this is just all ground up that went through the whole system. So it was clogging up the oil feed, so it wasn't getting any oil. How the hell does cigarettes get inside my damn engine? That's what I want to know. Like, look, what? So, yeah. I'm at the point now where I'm pulling this motor. I don't trust who the hell built this back 20-something years ago. So, yeah. Today's video, we're pulling this damn motor, so we'll see you in a bit.
I fell where my demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else.
But from the looks of it, that coolant is very green, so no. Well, I guess that would make more sense. Holy shit, I'm another whole idiot. It's not going to be a different color, it's the coolant. Oil was the part that was the issue. Holy shit, it's been a long day. I'm a whole idiot.
You never made a sound.
So sweet. Didn't take too long. That's one thing about these old cars, they're easy as hell to work on. Give them that much. So yeah, I'm gonna start on these header bolts and I'll get back with you. Alright guys, give you a quick little update here. This is how far we've gotten. That header is completely removed. It just looks like it's not. It's just laying up on there. That one's got 2 bolts left. It's a real pain in the butt to reach, so I think I might just leave them in. Because these headers have little slots in the bottom. And I got them cracked loose. I'm hoping once I get the engine ready to come out, I can just slide them off. If not, maybe I could just slide it out with one header still attached, we'll see. But also, in case you're wondering, this is a video that's going to take a little while. So that's why there's changes of clothes and things of that nature. But yeah, I basically just have to work on it as much as I can after work every other day or so, if I have time. But yeah, I just wanted to clear that up. But yeah, it's about ready to go. I just got to get the... subscribe to Planet Stang. Oh, I was hearing things. Yeah, but it's basically ready to go. I just gotta get the bell housing bolts out and the torque converter nuts and the starter, obviously. And then she's basically ready to come out. And I just went and picked up this engine stand, which is still currently in the box. I sprung for the more expensive one. I had a higher weight rating and I was thinking about future projects and things of that nature, so I think I might actually take some time right now and get this thing set up. Plus it folds, so it was a little more expensive, but I think it's worth the price, so we'll see. Alright guys, I got it together finally. You know, Harbor Freight quality. It's actually not that bad, it's just those two braces on either end there. Pow and pow. Didn't quite fit, so I had to do some manipulation with the whole unit in general, but I got her. So, yeah, this thing's basically ready to come apart. So we'll see you then. Okay, it's another day. Same hoodie, but last night we got that, like I showed you, the engine stand put together. All I have left to do is pop the starter off, torque converter nuts, and then pull the bolts for the bell housing, and we can pull her out. So I don't see why we can't get it out tonight. So hopefully, mark my words, hopefully we can get this thing out tonight. So unfortunately, I don't have access to a lift currently, considering the car doesn't move, but nonetheless, I don't know if I'm gonna actually be able to get any footage of actually doing this part, because I have to crawl into the car and all sorts of nasty shit. So yeah, I will talk to you once I get all that stuff taken care of, and we'll update you at that point. Alright guys, update time. As you can see, I am sweaty as shit. But torque converter nuts are out. Only thing we got left now is 2 more bell housing bolts. Got the starter out as well. Oh, this thing's kicking my butt, I'm not gonna lie. But it'll be worth it in the end. I think so anyway. Lots of people keep telling me, Nick, why do you keep this old piece of crap? I haven't touched it in years, so it doesn't look that much. It doesn't look very good, in all honesty. But it's got potential. And a lot of people tell me to get a Fox or something else, but everybody can do that stuff. You ain't gonna see a lot of these on the road. You really ain't. So we're almost there, boys. We got 2 more bolts that's holding this thing in the car, and then I already got the motor mount bolts or nuts off the other night. So all we'll have to do at that point is push the car back enough so I can get the cherry picker in here and plop this thing out of here and throw it on the engine stand. Depending on what time it is, wherever my phone is, probably somewhere, I can't find it, but depending on what time it is, we'll do all that tonight. If not, I will see you guys in the morning, after work, actually, not in the morning, but yeah, you get the point. We'll see you guys then. All right, guys, finally got it out. As you can see right there. Well, kind of out. It's just not hanging like it's wee. But yeah, it's basically ready to come out. I just got to pull the hood off so I can actually do that. But, or I can move the car back a little bit. I don't know, we'll see what I do. But yeah, it's out. All I got to do is get it out the rest of the way, obviously, and throw it on the engine stand, tear her down, and build her back up again. But I'll see you in the next portion of this video. Hopefully I can do this tonight. In all honesty, I'm kind of tired. I might just wait till tomorrow after work, since it's Friday and all. I can't wait till this thing that's happening soon happens, because it's gonna make doing stuff like this a lot easier, I tell you what. But stay tuned for that. It's gonna, you're gonna meet someone that we've talked about before but haven't yet had on the channel. He helps us out a lot, and he's soon to be a big part of all of this. So yeah, we're gonna, it's gonna be crazy. Just stay tuned, guys. But I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, guys, I went full send. It's out. Finally, I got this hoe out. All I gotta do is put her on the engine stand, and I think I'll be happy for tonight. But in order to do that, I gotta pop the flywheel off, or flex plate if you want to be technical, since it's an automatic. But yeah, I'll pop that sucker off and throw her on the engine stand, and we can get to the end of this video. Hopefully it's not too long and I'm not boring you guys, but you guys have to let me know what you think of the old car stuff as far as content goes. I mean, I love this damn thing, that's why I haven't gotten rid of it yet. But I'm not gonna lie, I was swearing for the past couple hours with this damn thing, but I'm happy. This is the start of something good, so we'll see what happens. See you guys in a minute. Alright guys, I really wanted to finish out the night with a bang by getting it onto this stand, but as you can see, these bolts don't quite come out all the way. I need some longer ones. So tomorrow after work, I'm gonna go pick 4 of them up. We're gonna oh, get out of here, mosquito. We're gonna hook it up to the jack, and then next video on the Thunderbird stuff, I'm gonna tear the sucker down to bare block. So look forward to that. But like I said, look forward to future videos and possible crazy things that might be happening. Like we always say, crazy things always be happening. But yeah, that's it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. So yeah, guys, I'm actually giving you a little bit of a sneak peek. This is going to be part of the second video tearing this thing down. But I just wanted to give you a better visual of what's going on. I just had to put it in this first video for you, because look at all those cigarettes, man. That's just god awful. It's a good thing we're rebuilding this.